a tonneau cover for the Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Well, good morning everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here, and that's right. We are going to put a tonneau cover on the Jeep Gladiator Mojave. You know, the whole reason that we put those bed rails on. Now, we've already kind of taken a little jump ahead, I guess. There is this felt piece, or rubberish type piece, I guess you'd call it a gasket, that goes across the front. That's so that the cover has something to seal against. We went ahead and put that on. It's just adhesive back, pretty simple. Just clean this off with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and then go ahead and put it on. We also put the brackets in the rails. The reason we needed the rails to secure the top to the truck itself. Now, the tonneau cover is actually, as I mentioned before, the one that was on my Jeep Gladiator. So, all we have to do now is set it on top and then fasten the clips down, or the sides down if you will, to these brackets that go inside. Now, these brackets do have Allen keys or Allen screws in them. That's what keeps them tight and from moving around inside of the track itself. Because you know, if you were driving down the road and those were moving, you'd have a tonneau cover hanging off the back of your Gladiator. I'm just saying. So, we're going to go ahead, bring it over here, lay it on top, and then secure it. Front. This is the back. I haven't hit my head yet. I almost feel like I should go slam into it once just for posterity.
I'll just hit you.
That's right. Okay. So, I think that's a little too close.
No, just move the roof. The cap.
Take the top off.
You take the whole cap.
Okay, so now, and this is where, you see if you look under here, there's a rubber strip.
Yep.
That, I think, is supposed to marry up with this.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So, actually, it sits over the edge of it.
Well.
Or no?
No.
It sits right on top, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so then you've got to decide how to get it straight, or even, I guess. So all we're doing for that is just kind of looking down the edge of the truck, I guess, as comparing it to the cap that's on the truck and the lines that are on the truck. This isn't any exact science for sure, but you just need to get it to where you think it's straight, and then you could bring it right up at the edge here and have it kind of follow the lip of the edge, or the edge of the truck rather. Kind of depends on how you want to do it, but we're going to mess with that for a little bit, and then we'll tighten it down. Okay, that puts all the rest of the brackets on. You guys can see underneath here, we did put the other brackets on in the back. I will say one thing, this track is a little bit wider, I think, than what we have on the other ones, because the brackets, in my opinion, do not fit properly in there. If you look at that one up there in particular, you can see how the edge of it, where it hooks up, does not go up and make contact. Let's see if I can zoom you in. Does not make contact with the top of the track. You can see right there on the edge, maybe, that it doesn't go up and contact the top. It really should, in my opinion. Okay, the last part, of course, was to go ahead and hook these down. They just fit in the slot, and then you pull it down, and that's all there is to it. So with any luck, when we put the gate up, the top's going to move a little bit. Let's see. There you go. You should have seen this pop up a little, and then coming down, you should see it move a little, because that means it has a nice tight seal right up against this rubber edge, which is what you want. If it didn't move, You either have it exactly right or it's not contacting enough. So, there you go. It's done. What do you think?
Looks good.
Do you like it?
I like it. It looks good.
Was it a lot of work?
It looked naked before, but now it looks dressed.
Yeah? And your opinion?
I'm looking for my paycheck for all this help.
Sorry, I have to go. Anyway, that is the install of the Tyger tonneau cover on the Jeep Gladiator Mojave. It's a great, cheap, when I say cheap, I mean not as costly as some of the other ones out there. You can get hard tops, of course, that you can do a jig on. I don't think you're going to be doing any dancing on the top of your tonneau cover, are you?
Oh, no.
I don't think so. Anyway, that's it. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have one of these, what your experience with it is, and how your install went. I'd be curious to know. Also, real quick, if you're interested, I have 2 other channels, Rob Motive and Rob Motive Civic, all about my Honda Civic Sport hatchback and my Honda Civic Type R. Check them out. If you're interested, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.